Residents of Gadonu, the Akerele, Oloto, and Koka residing within Mosafejo, Idi-Araba communities under the Kosofe local government area of Lagos State have lamented and cried out as demolitions by the Lagos State Task Force continues daily to their structures. This has prompted the residents of the affected areas to lead a peaceful protest to Alausa, Ikeja.
Basically, as I've said, we members of that community have been living there for the past 15-20 years, and we bought the land. Each of those people here represented have the receipt, and some of us also have a survey of this property that we purchased.
Are there litigation on the land?
The litigation issue
are you in court?
Before now, no. Before now, there were issues between two families who were having litigation matters. Subsequently, we never had anything about it in the last 2 years. You understand? And there was no any pronouncement that had been a court judgment on it.
Reacting to the demolition, information revealed that Akerele, Gadonu, Oloto, and Koka families are the people selling the land and have been doing so over 40 years ago with family receipts issued to all occupants before the late Saliu Babatunde Elebo I was installed as the king of Oranshaki Kingdom.
Ó ti pẹ́ tí mo ti wà ńbẹ̀, ó ti lé ní 30 years. Inú ra ní gbogbo bẹ̀yẹn anáwó àfíìlì ẹ̀. Ó kò dín ní àná báwọn ọlọ́pàá ìṣe ya wọlé nìyẹn. Àti task force àti mọ́tò ńláńlá kọ́ pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ lé ní 100. Wọ́n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wọlé wa. Wọ́n wọlé wa Oloworo ní Koka Road. Ẹ̀yìn náà gbà wọlé tó ń gbé ìbọn dání. Wọ́n ní tá bá sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn máa pa wá ni. Ọ̀nà àtàláùsá làwọn ti wá wọ́n ti wọlé wa o gbogbo àwọn ọmọ wa báyìí táná wà báyìí tó ń sùn síta àríbi sùn sí mọ́jú o.
We are here all because of what is happening there in Oranshaki as of yesterday. For like how many days ago, I think this Lagos State Task Force of 18 came to the area to paste some stickers, give some letter telling them we need to vacate that very site under a ultimatum of 7 days. So we just, after these 7 days, we're trying to be making some steps. We've contacted our lawyer, talk to this, talk to that. We've been to station, go to the Oba's palace here and there. And later, at the end, the Oba told us then that there is nothing from his side that pertaining to what is about to happen. So we was like, when we go to the task force, they said we should go to the Oba. When we go to the Oba said he doesn't know anything about what is happening. Now, the king said he doesn't know about what is happening. And yet, we come. It was a surprise. All of a sudden, we just saw these people around the environment yesterday come with caterpillar, started demolishing houses.
The 40 years we were low, we were come back. We call the block, we call the Paco. It had a carry one because they fall any. We wanted to go before. What before on the second say found you. But all the Bawa. Yayamipe, Yayape, Iba, only Wakakirio. Why Bonde one you? I just call. Did your man was what you see on to start again? Just go say, go to alone, Joba, Aloe Bawa, and not balaying you.
My sisters were like everybody I done there for this police. I'm from Akwa Ibom State. Wallahi, I done there for Owuru. I done pay. I negate them for mama. I negate them for papa. Everybody I done go. Wallahi, they lie me. I done there for this place. They no scatter my facility. Wallahi, I don't get anywhere to go. I come back for my work. Wallahi, everywhere I done scatter. I want enter inside my room. Wallahi, they done scatter everywhere now.
The residents, however, called on His Excellency Mr. Babajide Olusola and other appropriate authorities to come to their aid while the investigations of the matter continue, which cannot justify the purpose of their eviction from their comfort zone. In Lagos, Jennifer Nwosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.